Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 9 from exercise 1.1. So before solving the problem, first we will see some small points. For subtraction, always subtract smaller number from the bigger number, or result is equal to bigger number minus smaller number. For example, in minus 2 and minus 5, minus 2 is greater than minus 5 and 0 has no symbol. For multiplication, we have to follow minus into plus is equal to minus and minus into minus is equal to plus. And in number line, the number appears left side in is always lesser than number appears in right side. Or we can say that when we are moving from left side to right side, the value increases, and when we are moving from right side to left side, the value decreases. So here is the first question. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statements true. The question is minus 8 plus minus 4. It's a blank. Here only you have to put the symbol minus 8 minus of minus 4. So this is left hand side. This is left hand side. This is right hand side. So first I will solve left hand side and right hand side simultaneously. Then after solving, we will get single number in both sides. Then check which one is lesser or greater. Then put the symbol. This is the procedure to solve this type of problem. Okay, first I will remove all the brackets. Minus 8 plus into minus minus 4, then blank, minus 8 plus minus into minus plus 4. Now here same sign, so I am going to add 8 plus 4 is 12 and the symbol is minus. So minus 12, then blank. Here different sign, so I am going to subtract 4 from 8 and put the larger number, that is symbol of 8. Symbol of 8 is minus, so my answer is minus 4. Now compare minus 12 and minus 4. Here minus 4 is greater than minus 12 because both are minus. I'll write like this. Finally, I have to write the answer like this. You have to fill the blank and write like this. Okay, next question. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 blank, 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. So in the next step, I am going to remove all the bracket. Minus 3 plus 7, look here, plus into minus. Here minus and here 19 is, the symbol of 19 is plus. So plus into minus, minus 19. Then blank, no symbol, so I put plus here, plus 15, minus 8, plus into minus, minus 9, like this. Now I will solve first two integers. So minus 3 plus 7, different sign. Different sign means I will subtract 3 from 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4 and symbol of the bigger number 7 is plus. So answer is plus 4. The remaining integer is minus 19, then blank. Here different sign, plus 15 minus 8. I am going to solve these two numbers first. Different sign, I am going to subtract 8 from 15. So answer is plus 7. Next, the minus 9 will come as it is. Next, I will solve these two integers. Different sign, so I will subtract and put the bigger number sign, that is minus. Minus 15 blank, here minus 2. So look here, both are minus. So the number that looks smaller is bigger. Here minus 2 is larger than minus 15. And at last I will write the answer like this. So this is the answer. Next question, 23 minus 41 plus 11 blank, 23 minus 41 minus 11. Here I will put plus symbol here because there is no symbol for 23. 23 minus 41 plus 11, then blank, again plus 23 minus 41 minus 11, like this. So first I will take first two integers. So plus 23 minus 41, different sign. So I will subtract 23 from 41 and put minus symbol because the larger number is 41 and the symbol is minus. I got minus 18, then plus 11 as it is I will write blank, and then I will solve these two integer, different symbol. So I am going to subtract 23 from 41, got minus 18 minus 11. Now here take these two integers, different sign. So I will subtract 18 from 11 and put the bigger number sign, minus 7, then blank. Here same sign, so I am going to add these two integers and put the minus symbol, so minus 29. So here also both integers are negative, minus 7 and minus 29. So here the number 7 appears smaller than 29. So minus 7 is larger than minus 29. So I will put symbol like this and I will write the answer like this. Next question, 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 blank, 36 plus minus 52 minus of minus 36. First I will write the numbers with symbol, 36 plus minus 52 minus minus 36. I have written only the number with symbol. Now in the next step I am going to remove all the brackets. Plus 39 plus into minus minus 24 plus into minus minus 15 blank, 36 plus into minus minus 52 minus into minus plus 36, like this. Now I am going to solve first two integers like this, different sign. So I will subtract 24 from 39. I got plus 15, then minus 15 blank. I'll take these two integers. So I got minus 16 plus 36. Here plus 15 minus 15, 0 blank. Here different sign. So I will subtract 16 from 36. So I got 20 and the bigger number symbol is plus. So plus 20. Here 0 and 20. I got 0 and 20. So which one is larger? 20. So I'll put symbol like this and I'll write the answer like this. Next question, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 blank, minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Here directly we can solve the question. So first I'll take first two integers. So different sign, I'll subtract 79 plus 231, I got minus 152 plus 51, then blank. Then here also I will subtract and plus 81 will come as it is. Look here, here also different sign. I am going to subtract 51 from 152 and put the bigger number sign. So answer will be minus 101, then blank. Here also I will subtract 81 from 240 and put the minus symbol. So minus 159. So I got two integers, two negative integers. So 101 is greater than 159 because both are in negative symbol. So finally I will write the answer like this. That's all. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.